I'm in Domžale right now at Osnova Shola, and I just wanted to introduce my new friends, so maybe they will say hello. So,
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
How do you do?
ah,
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. What's up? Hey.
what's up?
Hey. Hello.
Yeah, no Kaido Gaya.